so just behave. Jealousy, I've got no time to play hide and seek, 'cause eventually he'll surely find